Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will provide an honest review of Visible, which is a mobile carrier offering affordable unlimited plans. But before we begin, make sure you check out the link in the description for the latest information from Visible's official website. So Visible is a prepaid wireless service that is owned by Verizon, providing unlimited data, talk and text on Verizon's 5G and 4G LTE networks. It is known for the straightforward pricing and no annual contracts. So here, if you come on the official website of visible.com, you need to hover over to the plans section, and if you click on check out our plans, you will be able to see that Visible offers two primary plans. The first is the Visible plan that will cost you $25 per month, and it includes the unlimited data, talk, text and mobile hotspot. The taxes and fees are also included in this plan, and this plan offer access to Verizon's 5G and 4G LTE networks with unlimited talk and next to texts to Mexico and Canada. The next plan that we have is the Visible Plus plan. So it will cost you $35 per month, and regularly it is $45 per month. But now you can use this code that is given over here, and you are going to get $10 discount straight away. So this will give you the premium data and faster 5G ultra wideband access, included with the smartwatch services and a complimentary day of global pass international coverage monthly. The taxes and fees are also included in it. So here, if I talk about the good things about Visible, so it is affordable in terms of the unlimited plans. Both the plans are quite affordable, and the next thing is that there is no hidden fees, and the Verizon network are also accessible. You are going to get the benefits of Verizon's extensive 5G and 4G LTE coverage, and in these plans the mobile hotspot is also included, which is also a good thing. If I talk about the cons, so during the network congestion, the data speed may be slower, especially on the base plan, and the customer support of Visible is also limited. Primarily, it is available through online chat, which may not suit for everyone. So in a final verdict, I would like to say that Visible offers compelling unlimited plans on Verizon's network, making it an attractive option for budget conscious users seeking simplicity and value. However, potential data depreciation and limited customer support are also considerations to keep in mind. So if you want to try it out, you can just use the link that is given in the description. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.